Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. These 240 kick down solenoid block offs right there. You got your oil pan, you got your transmission pan line, the transmission ID plate, and there it is. Alex even has a special tool that he made to help you get that thing in and out. And that'll cure that gear ratio issue. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.